Laying on my porch, laying on my porch. What a fun life. Oh wait, that's my phone. Hello? I've been offered to go on a camping trip. Because I saved the world? Oh great. 2 hours? Gotta be there in 2 hours. Okay, got it. Alright, see you. Bye. And I'm going on a camping trip. I'm so excited. I wonder what it will be like. Wow, I'm here. I'm here. Wow, where's the guy? You there, sir? Yes, sir. You gotta get a fire going immediately. Yeah, alright. What about that saving the world stuff about you thanking me for saving the world? This is your thank you, kid. Alright. Oh, and by the way, don't call me a kid, because, yeah, I'm retired now. I call you what I want when you're at my campsite. You understand me, kid? Yes, sir. I gotta get a fire going now. How do I do this? Oh, yes. Yes, flint and steel. So, take the flint and this. And then do I just... Oh, I couldn't get a fire going. I could get a fire going. You, sir! Yes, sir. Reporting. You couldn't get a fire going? Sir, I tried to. There's no try, there's only do or do not. Who said that? Yoda said that? No, I said that. You do what I tell you to. Okay, boy? Yes, sir. I have to escape this place now. How do I do that? I know. I'll take the flint and steel and I'll run far and fast. I think I got away from him. Got away from him. You can't run away from me, boy. But I just did.